questionable showed up at dawn. Leather boots on and his swagger full on. He said, "Sweet-eyed girl, come sail with me. There's a moonlit lake where we're meant to be." She climbed aboard his rickety boat, heart beating wild as they drifted afloat. But halfway out on the shimmering tide, she sniffed the air and her eyebrow climbed. She leaned in close, confusion in her eyes, and asked him softly, like a whispered surprise, "Red, why do you always smell like Pringles? Every time you move, a new aroma tingles. Is it cologne? Is it your soul? Is your heart just a salty flavored hole?" But Red just grinned as a bull-rock light. "Baby, it's who I am, don't fight the vibe tonight. Tonight." The lantern glowed on Ida's face as Red rode slow with dramatic grace. She tried to focus on the stars above, but all she smelled was flaming hot love. She said, "Red, my dear, is this your curse? Do you bathe in chips or something worse?" He laughed and said, "Girl, don't be alarmed. It's the scent of passion and elbows unwashed." She shook her head with a sigh so deep, wondering how a snack could haunt her sleep. "Red, why do you always smell like Pringles? Every time you breathe, the spice still mingles. You hold my hand and I still detect a bouquet of potato in every aspect." But Red just winked beneath the moon. "Baby, you'll crave it too. And soon." The boat spins slowly on the lake, her patience bending for it breaks. She wants romance, she wants a spark, but he smells like chips in the goddamn dark. "Red, why do you always smell like Pringles? That chip dust aura forever lingers. I want a kiss, but I just get a whiff of barbecue regret." But Red pulled close with a roguish grin. "Sweetie, to love me for the snack within." And on that lake, beneath starry skies, she rolled her head but couldn't hide her smile. For questionable though Red may be, he's a chip scented mystery.